Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Encanto-themed crafts available right now. If you're looking to add some magic to your kids' parties or simply want a creative activity for them, this is the perfect choice. This set of birthday party favors supplies features 36 sheets of make-your-own stickers. Each sheet includes a variety of designs that allow kids to create their own characters and scenes, all in the vibrant and enchanting style of Encanto. The stickers are not just fun but educational too, promoting fine motor skills and cognitive development as children peel, stick, and arrange the stickers to their liking. With 36 sheets and 6 different styles per sheet, there's endless room for creativity. Kids can mix and match to create unique characters and stories. Made from thick, durable paper with a protective film, these stickers are designed to be reusable and safe for children. Perfect for birthday parties, these stickers can serve as party favors, goodie bag fillers, or even as an interactive activity during the event. Enhances artistic abilities, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. Keeps kids engaged and entertained for hours, fostering imagination and creativity. An affordable gift option for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. Whether you're planning a themed party or simply want to encourage your child's creativity, these Encanto-themed stickers are a fantastic choice. They combine fun and learning in a way that kids absolutely love. Check out the link in the description below to get your own set of birthday party favors supplies. 36 sheets make your own stickers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations.